Welcome along to part 2 of the run to the ring. Having previously made our way from the French Ardennes to Belgium, Luxembourg and Germany via the best rural road and sights the regions have to offer, it's time to crack on back towards the Eiffel Mountains and Belgium via Spa-Francorchamps and Dinan. But of course, not before a visit to Das Ring. Oh yeah.
Well, welcome to the second part of my little European jaunt, where we start at the Nürburgring. Right, welcome to the Nürburgring for my first ever lap. Oh my god, I'm actually on it, holy moly. Not doing any timed runs. I don't want to pressure myself into anything. Just going to take it easy and enjoy. Let the tyres just get a little bit of temperature in them. Grand Truth moment is real! Fantastic. All you're going to hear is breathing. I do apologise. Feet in the wrong position there. Turn too late. Front Porsche, thank you. You're going to so quick through here because through you go. Oh, this is steep. Coming in towards the carousel section. This car's going to be so much quicker through here. Carousel, sticking to the outside, certainly. But this is the carousel! Holy moly! Yes, draggingly! Oh, I know it doesn't mean anything, but it does to yourself. This one tightens up. I think. Yeah, there you go. Up curb. Hey. I lost the back there. Nearly at the end already. Two more main corners. Being baby carousel. And onto the back straight or the main straight, whatever it is, it's a straight. Yes! Thank you to Ono, what a machine. And the back camera's still there, fantastic. Oh, how about that? I've done it, done the Nürburgring. Proper bucket list stuff ticked off. That was awesome. But of course, as soon as you do one lap, you come in trance and want to do so many more. You come off feeling so high, and then you remember, as I just left, the track got closed. Yeah, it's easy to do that. So, as it is now 6:30, back to the hotel, bit of grub, ready for a day's riding tomorrow. Good morgen. And we call him Nürburgring.
Time to bid Auf Wiedersehen to Germany's best one-way toll road and head on the beautiful 258 to another of the world's finest rivers of tarmac, nestled deep in the hills and forests of northern Europe, Spa-Francorchamps. But before that, as a Brit abroad in the land of the Deutsch, one cannot miss a visit to a bit of 80-year-old history. This time, the harrowing military castle of Ordesung. Nailed it. Anyway, on we go.
Oh, left-handed roundabouts. They're good fun. National Park Eiffel. Oh yeah. Volgelsang. That's however that's pronounced, that's where we're heading. As far as I'm aware, the way to explain it is a castle type structure built in the 30s, I think it was, and was used to train up military personnel for what was then the new political party of Germany, which of course we all know the name of, but I'll say no more. I have no idea of the sensitivity of talking about these sort of things here in Germany. Although having said all of that, I did read a book not too long ago that was written by a German author for German publication. A fictional story about an Austrian with the initials AH who never actually died in 1945, but instead went to sleep and then woke up, I think it was 2012. It's an incredibly funny yet serious book. Would highly recommend it. So yeah, having just thought about it, it's probably not that sensitive of a subject. Oh well. Oh, is that a larder? A larder Neva? Oh yes! Ooh. This isn't at all ominous. Crikey. Look at that. Anyway, this is something for me to take in. I've shown you what it is and where it is if you want to go visit it. Catch you when we start on the road to Spa-Francorchamps. Right, to Spa. Oh, isn't this pretty? Whoa, look how tight that is. Is that another larder? It is! Ha ha! Ha ha! Belgium! I think also now I'm going to be quite confused with, again, what language to initially address people in. Should have looked it up before I came. I'll just not have to speak until I'm spoken to. Like a Victorian child. Ooh, a tank! C'est intéressant. Oh, I love these little roads. You can see the other bit of it through the trees. Doing a full 180. That's not at all confusing. Malmedy left and Malmedy right. I wasn't expecting my route through Belgium to Spa to be this nadgery sort of roadways. How far have we gone to date? 160. Ah, no, this clock must reset at 1,000 kilometres on the trip meter, or 1,000 miles, or 1,000 units. So 1,160 kilometres into the trip. Spa-Francorchamps circuit, it's on the side. It must just literally be over there. Ooh, is that some old Armco in the tree? Is this the old Spa circuit I'm on now? There it is! I think for most people, when they do travelling here and there, whilst most people seem to tick off countries, I seem to tick off racetracks more. I guess it's what interests me. Ah! Eau Rouge! Radion! Yes!
I think as places go to have a spot of lunch, this one's going to be pretty hard to beat anytime soon. And for a little stroll afterwards. Yeah, pretty ace. But now we must depart from this trip's last motorsporting exploit and go to the picture-perfect town of Dinan, which serves as the final overnight stop. After then, it's time to jump on the autoroute and back to Blighty. But first, to Dinan.
Look at that. Beautiful. Is this the right road through? I think we're about 45 minutes away now from the overnight stop. I haven't done a huge amount of miles today, but it's been a lot of sort of slow speed stuff. Oh! Ha! It's like being in India, almost having speed bump style things in the middle of a motorway. Crikey! Well, hey! Sweeper! Yep, like that. Hooray! Dinan, whatever. We're here! Ah, yes. It's Belgium's Brighton. That's where I try and find the hotel, which I think is just over there. Marvellous. And And there it is. Panama, whatever. Beach show. Well, isn't this pretty? Good morning. All loaded up for one more trip. First things first, get out of this town and across that bridge. Oh, it's a chilly one this morning. I think it's starting out to be at the moment 12 degrees or so. Righty-ho, this is the final day of the trip. Pretty similar to day one, where it's just mostly motorway to get to the ferry, and then mostly motorway on the other side to get to base camp. As the trip from here to there and onwards is mostly this sort of road, I think we'll sign this all off for now. As a whole, if you have any questions about the route I took or any little points here and there that you want to know about, do ask, put them in the comments, and I'll see what I can do for you. But anyway, as we cross the bridge over the township we stayed last night, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye!